Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Benaria Marketing Soldier back with another video. It's been a couple of weeks since I've uploaded a video talking about Mapbot AI, and I have to say that my results have been phenomenal, just to say the least, guys. It has been a fantastic ride in my first 30 days of Mapbot AI. Regardless of the down market, I'm still making money with Mapbot AI, and it's just been phenomenal. So let's go over here to my eLedger and take a look at what I've earned for the month of May into June. So, as you know, I started on May 25th. Let's go all the way down here. You can see I started on May 25th, and today is June 25th. So, it's been exactly 1 month since I started my journey with Mapbot AI, and I have earned a total of $554.42. By utilizing the Mapbot AI. It's crazy. So let's go to my calculator and see what that percentage is. So let's see if we take 554, divide that by my starting balance of 2,700. That gives me a return of 20.51% for the month, guys. 20.51 for the month. That is crazy, right? That's phenomenal. Those are some fantastic results. Um, as I said, even in a down market, I've been able to earn with Mapbot AI. So the just recently there were some new settings that were implemented or that are suggested. There was a gentleman who came out by the name of Mohammed. He created this calculator that discusses or that shows what the suggested parameters should be for how many coins that you choose to trade with. Now, as you know, Mapbot AI offers over 40 coins that you can trade with, but you have to be careful with how many coins you trade with, because if you put too many coins into your investment, you can quickly not liquidate, but you can quickly um, use up all your USDT and be stuck in trades. And that's exactly what you don't want to happen. So as you can see, my total invested I started with was 2,700. So the bot suggests that I only use 4 coins. All right, and that gives me a buying power of $675 per coin, right? Which is 2% of basically you're using 2% of your total investment to trade per trade, right? Um, I'm on an aggressive uh, investment strategy, because that's what I choose to do to go with. But the only thing is that the more aggressive you are, the less dropped cover you have. So I can go all the way down to about 23% cover on my coins until I'm stuck in trades until they start to recover. But I mean, there's a lot more to how that works, which is why anyone who joins my team will be directed to this website here, um, and it discusses the parameters and how they work. So once you join my team, I'll give you the email or the address to this, and you can you can watch the videos and learn how the parameters work, the new parameter settings work, the calculator, how you can use that to your advantage, and everything. But when I first, when I, before I started using these new settings, um, as you can see, the market started taking a dip somewhere around the 16th of June, and I was making some pretty low profits right here, $1, $1. That was for a whole day. That's all I made. $1.58, $1.260, a dollar. Yeah, those people within these 2 days here, I was stuck in trades. I couldn't get out of any of the trades because I was stuck in them. All my USDT were stuck in trades. So once I implemented the new parameter settings based off of the calculator, my the performance started to shift and things started to look better. So you can see it started off at $16.34, then $45, $36, $24, $25 as of yesterday. Um, and the way the new parameters work is you're not only making money from when the market goes up, but you're also making profits from when the market dips. So you're making money on both sides, which is just great. And like I said, you could find out more information from this website here. And like I said, I'll share that information with you once you join my team. Um, let's see, what else can I go over? There's really not much else I really can say. Um, things are just, things are going very well. Profits are coming in. Um, they're, I mean, this is the best thing in the market right now. If you're, an experienced trader or a novice trader, I mean, this is exactly where you want to be. It doesn't even matter what level you are. This is where you want to be. The information that you are privy to is just incredible. This website has that I'll be sharing with you has numerous Zoom calls just about every day, talking about strategies and just overview videos of the bot and things of that nature. So a great tool to have here for MapBot AI. So that's all I have, guys. I just want to go ahead and share my results with you. Again, this is my 30 days with MapBot AI, low over 20% for the month, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the next month brings and the future brings. We're looking at Bitcoin going you know, up to $100,000 this year. That's what some of the experts are saying. So we'll just see what happens. But I really don't think it matters because regardless of whether the market is going up or going down, I'm still making money because of what MapBot AI is doing. So if you guys have any questions or if you were interested in joining my team, just go to my description and send me an email or reach out to me on Facebook, and I can help you get started. So this is Bernard, your marketing soldier, signing off. You guys have a great Friday, and I hope to talk to you soon. Peace.